Welcome back to my channel. The future of urban delivery is here, and it's called the Canoo Multi-Purpose Delivery Vehicle, or MPDV. Designed with functionality and sustainability in mind, this electric vehicle is reshaping the way we think about last-mile logistics. Canoo's MPDV stands out not just for its futuristic appearance, but for the smart engineering that maximizes space, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. At the heart of the MPDV is Canoo's proprietary skateboard platform, a flat, modular chassis that houses the battery and electric drivetrain. This design allows for an incredibly low step in height, a flat floor, and unmatched interior space for a vehicle of its size. It's built from the ground up with delivery needs in mind, offering a clean, compact exterior that hides a surprisingly roomy and customizable cargo area. The MPDV comes in multiple sizes to suit different commercial uses, including MPDV1 and MPDV2 variants. The MPDV1, ideal for city deliveries, provides about 230 cubic feet of cargo space, while the MPDV2 expands that with even more room for larger operations. Both versions feature rear and side access, ergonomic loading height, and plenty of space for shelving and modular storage. Range options vary based on configuration, but Canoo aims to deliver between 130 and 230 miles on a full charge, more than enough for daily urban delivery routes. The front-wheel drive setup, combined with a low center of gravity, ensures a smooth ride and excellent maneuverability in tight city spaces. One of the standout features of the MPDV is its digital integration. With a driver-focused cockpit, a minimalist steering wheel with integrated controls, and a tablet-style display for vehicle functions, it offers a modern, intuitive interface. Businesses can also tap into real-time telematics and fleet management systems to boost efficiency. Canoo's mission is not just about delivering vehicles, it's about rethinking mobility. The MPDV is designed with sustainability in mind, using fewer parts, recyclable materials, and offering a lower total cost of ownership compared to traditional delivery vans. It's built to last, with minimal maintenance and zero emissions. For delivery companies looking to modernize their fleets while reducing their environmental footprint, the Canoo MPDV is a compelling choice. With innovation at its core, it's a vehicle that's as practical as it is forward-thinking, paving the way for a cleaner, smarter future in transportation.